I'm just moving around.
Don't I look different?
Why not?
Who's this girl? Who's this girl? Just wanna be alone with you. Just wanna be alone with you. Just wanna be alone with you. Same old thing that keeps me around. And if you wanna come around, baby, it's cool.
Hi guys, it's Monday. Honestly.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming.
Hi guys, what's up? What's good? I look different, right? So I'm trying on wigs for tomorrow and I want to straighten it. I'm tired of all my other wigs. How do I look on these wigs, you guys? On this wig, how do I look? On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll probably wear it tomorrow, but just let me know how I look. I don't know. I thought fringe was going to fit me, but I look weird. This camera is making me look so weird. My bed is so rough. So I'm just going to go and straighten this wig and we'll see what can happen. I don't know. I really do not know. Let me show you guys facing the mirror. I really look good in the mirror. This girl, who's this girl?
Don't I look different? Like,
I look so cute. So cute.
Looking on my back and you are still the same. I try to figure out why you can tell the same. And I know when you know all the things that made us. My feelings for you don't go. And I know when you know all the things that broke us. I still have to let you go. Take my hand.
how the hell did you put skating back?
So guys, I just got back from work. I'm tired, but I just have to check in on this vlog. If not, this vlog will not be complete. I'm sorry about the lightning. So yeah, today or this afternoon I was just craving banana bread, and I was coming. I was like, I don't really have much, so I bought banana. I bought coconut because I'm going to make fresh coconut shaving to put in the banana bread. That's how bad the craving is. I'm definitely taking you guys to make it, because why not? Why not? Why not? So yeah, let me just go tidy up. Let me tidy up this room and go make some banana bread. Au revoir, guys. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au double. Bye-bye.
Just wanna be alone with you. Just wanna be alone with you. Just wanna be alone with you. Same old thing that keeps me around. And if you wanna come around, baby, it's cool. And if you wanna fuck around, Baby, I do just wanna be alone with you. With you. With you. With you. Just wanna be alone. What was your name again? I've seen so many of them come. Want me just play pretend? All your girls, they just wanna have fun. But it's the same old thing that we all see. Same old thing that keeps me keen. But I just wanna be alone with you. Just wanna be alone with you. The same old thing that keeps me around. If you wanna come around, baby, it's cool. And if you wanna fuck around, baby, I do just wanna be alone with you. With you. With you. With you. Just wanna be alone.
So you guys, I'm trying to use this air fryer to bake and see if it's going to work. Please, fingers crossed. I hope it's going to work. I hope I'm not about to spoil all my hard work in this kitchen. So I'm going to set it to 80 degrees, and here it is. And I'm about to close it and we bake. Fingers crossed. So it's finally done, and I've chopped all the head finished. Excuse my. Hi guys, it's Saturday. I feel as if I wear black in all my video, but I don't. It's raining heavily here. So today is Saturday, and I'm about to make akara. Let me show you guys the akara. I'm just moving around. I want to make akara. I want to make akara. So yeah. So I just finished blending it, and I'm about to fry it.
Just wanna be alone with you. Just wanna be alone with you. Just wanna be alone with you. The same old thing that keeps me around. If you wanna come around, baby, it's cool. And if you wanna fuck around, baby, I do just wanna be alone with you.